Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop the Instagram battery drain issue on iPhone with some simple and effective steps. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Instagram to access its individual app settings. Step 2. Turn off both background app refresh and live activities. These features can keep the app running in the background and drain your battery faster. Step 3. Go back to the main settings screen and tap on notifications to manage how apps send alerts. Step 4. Scroll down and select Instagram, then disable unnecessary notifications like birthdays, email alerts, and other unimportant updates. Step 5. Open the App Store, type Instagram in the search bar and check if there's a new update available. If there is, go ahead and update the app. Step 6. If you don't see an update, go to Settings again, tap General, then choose iPhone Storage and look for Instagram in the list. Step 7. Tap on Instagram, then tap Offload app, and after that tap Reinstall app to clear out app data and fix any hidden issues. Step 8. If you're still facing problems, go to Settings, tap General and open Background App Refresh, then turn it off completely to save battery. Step 9. Go back to Settings, open Battery and enable Low Power Mode. This limits background activity and helps preserve your battery. Step 10. Restart your iPhone to refresh the system and apply all the recent changes you've made. Step 11. If the issue still continues, go to Settings, tap General and then tap Software Update to check for any iOS updates. If there's one available, install it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps.